What's going on, guys? It's Nando back with another video. Thanks for stopping by. I am so excited about this video. Yes, I look fatter. Yes, I've lost my hair. Yes, I've lost my beard. I get it. It's quarantine season. Deal with it, okay? I'm bored. What do you want? I'm having a Britney Spears moment. What I'm about to show you guys is an unboxing of what I'm using right now. I'm gonna show it to you in a matter of seconds, but I wanted you guys to know that I'm already using it before you even watch the video. But for real, I'm super excited about this. Check it out in the unboxing video. If you like these kind of videos, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Both are free, both help me out, and then I get to make more of these videos because I like doing these kinds of videos. Anyways, my arm is tired because it's been a while. I'll catch you guys right now. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Nando back again with another video. Thanks for stopping by. And if you saw the intro to this video, you already know what I'm talking about, and it's this bad boy right here, the Sony ZV-1. Leave it to Sony to always come up with the most creative little names for their tech. First off, this is going to be a quick unboxing video. I'm excited about this camera because if this camera truly does the things that I've seen other reviewers talk about, if this camera truly does the things that I hope and envision it does, then this might very well be replacing this guy, which is the A6400, and going with this guy right here, which is the A7 III. Or at least replacing my Canon M50, some variation of that, because I don't need 4 cameras. Let me know in the comment section below if you're trying to buy one. But with that being said, let's unbox it. Let's show it off because I am stupid surprised at how small this camera is. Look at the size of this box in the first place. This is super tiny. This is exactly how Sony shipped it. They didn't even put any kind of tape on the box. I'm not lying. I didn't rip it off. This is exactly how it came. All I did was open it and record that intro. This is it. This is what you get. So let's start off with this stuff. So we've got a little dead cat, little wind situation going on right here. We've got a micro USB charging cable. I've got so many of these laying around, and I'm sure you guys do too. I really wish that this camera had come with USB-C, but they didn't. They didn't do that. They didn't do it for the A6400. They're not doing it for the ZV-1. They do have it on the A7 III. And then you've got the camera itself. That's it. Nothing else. So let me put all this stuff back in the box. Why? Okay. The battery is obviously already inside the camera. That's how I filmed the intro. And look at this. Look at the size of this camera. Look at the size of this. Look. That's crazy. That's so tiny. So I wasn't expecting this camera to be this small. I was expecting this camera to be more of the size of the A6400, but I guess it makes sense because you don't have a removable lens. This has the same sort of setup as your RX 100 Mark 6, maybe Mark 5. You got a, I think it's like a 20 to 70 millimeter lens. Something like that. 24 to 70. You have a 24 to 70 millimeter lens. You've got 315 points of autofocus, phase detection. You've got real-time eye autofocus, which is dope. Bokeh switch, clear voice recording, microphone jack, and a 1-inch 20.1 megapixel sensor. And it goes from f1.8 to 2.8. So, who is this camera for? This camera is obviously designed for this. For the content creator, for the travel vlogger, for the person that video first, photo second. And that's what I am, and that's what I want, and that's exactly what I'm excited about. But look at how it fits in my hand. I mean, it's so tiny. It's so look at this. This is tiny. It's small. So some physical differences real quick. You see this rubber situation right here? This is a nice little added grip. It's not the most appealing thing in the world, but hey, you've got a little something to hold on to your camera. This situation up here is all microphone. Of course, you've got the hot shoe mount right here. And then you've got nothing on this side. And then you've got HDMI, microphone jack. And then here, wait, there's more. Ready? Here's the number one thing. Boom. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? That's dope. This becomes a flippy screen. Why is a flippy screen important? Because now, unlike the a6400, when I flip my screen, I don't lose the ability to hook up a light or hook up a microphone. I can do that because microphone goes up top, light goes up top, whatever the configuration, and screen flips to the side. And then you turn it on, and then you have that. So now I can sit here and do this. And now I can record like I'm doing. So right now what you're looking at is actual recording from the ZV-1. It's pretty dark. Of course, I have my face illuminated, but this is what it looks like. And here's what's cool about it. Here's something that I've noticed. Because it's so tiny, I can just flip it like this, and suddenly, this is almost like a smartphone, okay? I've got, fits in the palm of my hand just right. Recording it, I got the screen up top, I got the lens right here, and boom, I'm recording. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. I am super excited about this camera. It will be linked in the description. Every time you guys make a purchase through that link, it helps me out a little bit, so I do very much appreciate that. And that's it, guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about this, what you guys want me to review. I plan on making, you know, likes and dislikes, a final review on this camera, and then kind of where I think this fits amongst the a6400, the A7 IIIs of the world, the RX 100 Mark 6s, you know, GoPro, so forth and so on. And like always, it was Nando. Peace, right? Peace, salute, adios, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. And like always, stay geeky, my friend. Stay geeky and stay safe.